Hi, I am Ashikur Rahman. In this video, I will do a short case study video. So here is the company Feed Bites Protein. I found them online. So what they sell is protein powder and this kind of products. So how is they running their business? They are running Facebook ads. If we go to about section and go to page transparency, we can see that this page is running ads. So if we can see their ads, let's go to ad library. So we can see they are running ads. So what kind of ads they are running? They are running a sales ad, then yeah, their page view or visit Instagram profile ad. So many kind of ads. So if we visit any kind of page, then we can see that this is their landing page and they are running a sales ad. So this is a tools from Metapixel. We can see that they implemented Metapixel helper, implemented Metapixel on their site. There is a page view event, then there is a view content event. So what will this differ them from others? So this is basically a standard event setup from Meta or Facebook. Facebook told us to set up this kind of event to get good result in their ads, because after setting these tools or setting Metapixel, then they will be able to retarget their audience. Also, they will get good amount of promotion of their pages, because if Facebook will get the data of the people who are basically interested in this type of products. So that is how their ad will be optimized, and this is how they will get good kind of sales. So that is why you need to set up these events. And also you can see that there is a event ID. That means they are probably basically send data from server. That means they have done server side tracking. So that is a very important thing. And in future, server side tracking will be the main thing, because third party cookie tracking will be stopped by major browsers, and all the regular countries giving restriction to third party tracking. Anyway, so by setting this up, you can get good sales in your Facebook ad, or you can also set up other platform ads like Google ads, Pinterest ad, any kind of ad. You need to set up this tracking to get good result from your ads. So that is how they are doing sales, getting good sales. You can also get sales. So for that, you need to set up this kind of tracking. So if you need this kind of help, you can call me or contact me. Description In the description, you can check the details. Thank you.